What's up guys, it's Maddie and today's video is going to be an unboxing of my custom ears that I ordered. I'm super excited to be receiving this. I ordered these about almost a month ago and this is from the Mouseketeers Boutique. And it's boutique, not boutique, get it? Like B-O-W. And I'm going to cover my address really quick, but as you can see it's from Etsy and they have a cute little magic mail sticker. There's stamps all over this. There's a thank you stamp, Mickey and Minnie, homemade with love, and a Minnie. So yeah, that is so cute. And when you take a look inside of this, past all this wrapping, first you see my order, and these ears were $35, and wait, they were $35 originally. And then there was a discount on them, I guess, and then the total was $29.75 for them, but then I paid shipping, and it was $36.75. Sorry, you probably don't care, but these are the ears I got. I don't know if I'll leave that in, but basically I just showed, those are my ears. So yeah, it comes with an invoice, and then you know what is so cute about this? I just removed the ears so you can't see them, but inside this package, there's a bunch of confetti and like Mickey confetti that they made themselves. Like, look how cute that is. Little Mickeys and stuff. So that's awesome. So besides the ears, what you get is this card that says, "Thank you for your purchase and supporting our small business. XOXO, Sabrina and Savannah, Mouseketeers Boutique. Tag us on Instagram with your new ears." And it just looks like this. And then it has all their ears on the back. And then it also comes with a business card. That looks like that. I'm trying to focus it. There we go. Oof, I dropped it, but you get it. So these are the custom ears I got. They are so cute. These are Rapunzel ears if you couldn't tell. So basically the back just has a bunch of beading, just like the front, and then the bow. And then the front has first on this, what is this, the left ear? Right ear. It has this pretty golden sun and then two lanterns. Then the purple bow in the middle, the sparkly bow, and it has three lanterns on it. And that's super cute. And then this part has Rapunzel's braid connected to the bow. And I think that is so cute. It has flowers in it, just like her hair was, and more lanterns. So these are adorable. I've already tried them on and they fit my head perfectly. I'll try them on right now. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I love these ears so much. I'm very, very excited to own these. I think they're adorable and I just love them. I think that they're really, really pretty. They're gonna sparkle in the sunlight. And yeah, so I know this was kind of a quick video, but I just wanted to post this, give you my review. If you want to go follow them, Mouseketeers Boutique on Instagram and on Etsy, and I would definitely give these ears a 10 out of 10. They're durable, they fit my head very nicely. They don't squeeze or hurt my head. These fit me better than my ears up there. And the design is absolutely beautiful. It's very nice quality, and I definitely recommend them. So go check out their shop, and I will link it down below. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you want to purchase a pair of fun little custom ears. And if you do happen to do this often and purchase them, then let me know what shops you like to purchase from, because this was my first pair of custom ears and I love them. Talk to you later. Bye.